today we gotta open Noms Snackables. Now open that so I can open up top.
Okay, how many do you have there?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Wow, that's a lot.
I like 4.
You like 4?
Yes.
You don't like 5?
No, I want 1, 2, 3, 4.
So if you had 5.
I don't have 5.
Oh, so if you don't have 5, we don't have to.
Look, I like 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, so if you had 5.
I don't have it. Okay, we gotta start now. It says to bind the Nom Nom in the twine.
Okay.
Let's open it.
Okay, you wanna open the baggie first?
Yes. I don't know if we get it.
Here.
Oh, that's not twine, Mommy.
Okay. What's in there?
Mommy, I can't take it out.
Let me see.
We have a scooper.
Okay, Mia, so slowly you're going to pour water inside, okay? All the way to the top. Go. Slowly. Be careful. Want me to help you? So, wait.
It's turning blue. Mommy, I'll have enough.
Let's see, hold on. What's going on? What is that?
It's turning like it's in.
Yes.
Can I do it now?
Yeah, I think you can scoop the toys now. You can scoop them out.
Do I do it, Mommy?
Oh, there's one here.
Do I take it out? Can I take it out? Mommy, what is that?
What is that? Let's see. Ooh. Look, there's one here.
And this too?
And this. And this. And this.
Look at who we
And that
got.
one. Wow. Is there any more?
No, I'm gonna go wash my hands.
Okay, Mia, so what was in the first one? Let me see the toys. Oh, cool. Let's do the second one. That's the second one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'll pour the water in, okay?
Okay. Red! So what's inside in this one?
Let's see. Ooh.
Do I touch it?
Sure. Ooh.
Ooh, it's puppy.
Mm-hmm. Well, you can use the same one from over there.
Okay.
Okay. Let's do the other one too.
It's still bubbly. Mommy, look.
Yeah. Okay. Let's do all of these.
It's turning to pink.
It's pink.
Yes.
Ooh. Let me get more water. Let's see.
Is this purple?
That one is what?
Blue?
Looks pink.
Again?
Yeah, it's pink.
Ooh.
Put it in here. So come with me so we can rinse it. Wow, is that everything you got from the Num Noms?
Yes.
That's a lot. See?
Where's the cookie? The chocolate chip cookie.
There's a cookie. Let me see.
Chocolate chip cookie.
You like those?
Yes.
They were pretty messy though.
Yes, don't we watch them?
We did wash them.
But there's no more Nom Noms. Okay, this is all the names, but I don't know what's the names.
You don't know the names?
This is all the today's video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.